There's a jay, waxwings, thrushes. These waxwings are beautiful. This is the 23rd of December 2014, and they're eating these berries which are very high in wax. They're beautiful, these birds. Really beautiful. Oh. Yeah. That's a thrush. These waxwings normally leave in October, but this year the cold weather's come late and they're having their last feed. And these are so high in alcohol that these birds get quite drunk, quite intoxicated. Can you see them? If you're watching this video, you can always zoom it a little bit to get a better view. I'll try to zoom this video now. Just a little. I hope it's not too shaky. I've always been interested in the birds. I love the birds. I've not put the very high definition with this video because for YouTube it takes so long to upload. But I think that's enough for now. Oh, that's a lovely bird there. Can you see that one there? Don't move, darling, don't. We've got waxwings, we've got thrushes, we've got all kinds of birds here. Beautiful birds. Look at that waxwing up there. They are beautiful. Oh, they are beautiful. Oh, they're so pretty. So pretty. Okay. Oh, that's a lovely shot there. Look at them eating their berries. You can actually see them take them into their mouth. A lot fell onto the ground in the autumn, but this keeps the birds going through the winter. Try not to move, darling.
I can't get this a picture.
Hang on, stop this video.